Hi guys, we're back in the Anglo workshop. This is one of our customer cars. It's an 88 Van Diemen. One of the older cars. As you can tell, it looks a lot different to what the newer cars do. It is over 30 years old, and that races in the historic championship around Australia. With this car, what we've had to do over the last 12 months, we've done a total rebuild on it. So basically we pulled all the panels off, all the componentry are on the chassis. We had to put a new floor on it, we had to replace a lot of the chassis rails because they were cracked or bent. Everything's all been put back together now with sandblast paddock out of the chassis, built the car all back up. It actually raced a couple of weeks ago down at Wakefield Park. It actually won the state championship down there. Actually the guy actually cleaned up in every race. Great to work on cars like this. They've got a lot of history and the guys that drive them really well and do the results on the track, it's great to be a part of it.